I just broke the bike. No, I hit the tree. The LaBelle's Workshop special, and look what happened to my headlight.
No.
So we got the broken bike and new headlight came in. Just gonna do a quick switch on this. This looks like it's going to be extremely easy. Here's the old light. You can see it's shattered. And this bulb still worked, but obviously I'm not going to use the light if it's shattered. And we need these little rubber pieces. So the color's slightly off. That's alright. This is an aftermarket part. It's not OEM. So for these, they just slide out like such. Just pull them towards you. And once you get over this little ridge, it'll pop right out. And just slide it right back in the same way you took it out. And boom. So now, just lock this piece in. And then it looks like, is this good? What is this? Where did this little LED go? Oh, this goes right in here. So that's the oil light. Let us know when we're low on oil. So then there's two little prongs in the bottom, and they go in these two little holes. And just make sure all the wires fit. And take your rubber pieces and put them around the forks. Such. Sweet. And same deal on this side. I think these are supposed to go in front of it. Oh no, these are supposed to route up it, maybe? Yeah, those are supposed to go inside. Oh yeah, that does look correct. I think. Whatever, we'll just send it like that. Sweet. So that's how you install a new light on a Husky. Pretty easy. Awesome. That's so cool. Sweet.